developers use to build their software, right? So I do think platform engineering is probably a better description. But again, DevOps isn't really a job. DevOps is a mentality. It's a practice. Off-topic question. Anyone might have the answer. Laptop choice for uni. Kind of want to get a MacBook, but don't have any Apple devices. So I have a MacBook. I love my MacBook. I personally think it's really about what you want. Like, for example, I know some of our streamer friends use Linux machines, Linux laptops. It's up to you, man. I bought a MacBook because I wanted to work on ARM. Like, hands down, the first thing I wanted to do is I wanted to work on ARM CPUs. I wanted to work with a completely different, processor architecture. I was getting tired of using Intel already. And so getting a MacBook was a massive value for me. There's System 76 or whatever. Like, I know that they make really good laptops, but you still are going to deal with the headaches of managing a Linux operating system as a desktop. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not. So I think if you want to have like a nice experience where things just don't break as much, I would get a MacBook, especially when you want to focus on learning. You don't want to focus on learning every time your system breaks. But that's just my 2 cents. Like, that's just my $2.50 put down on the table. Feel free to take what you want from it. But yeah. What do you use to run Docker containers on Mac? I use something called OrbStack. OrbStack is the best Docker container runner thingy on Mac, in my opinion. Yeah. Do you happen to know if it'll be .NET based or other languages? What will be .NET based? Sorry. What are we talking about, OKS? Developer stuff, don't know which path, but just computer science. Yeah, I mean, even development in general, I think a MacBook would serve you really well. They are expensive, but it makes it, in my opinion, it makes it a much better experience. This is actually sick to see since most software content out here is dev focused. No, I started out in front end. I worked my way to back end. I became a full stack engineer. I became a POC engineer, basically. And then I eventually moved into DevOps and platform engineering, what I do today. So I know the entire stack, top to bottom. One day I'll make them sign up for it. I will. And no, you guys are not wrong. Like, we all yoink from each other. You guys are totally right. We definitely do. I think I want to try and come up with the problems that I want to solve first before I do that. But now that I've gotten your permissions, yeah, I'm going to go and steal all your features. No, I'm kidding. What do you mean? Styler randomly came up with a new stream elements field called response type and file say. We all yoink. I know we do. I know. I think you, me, and Styler even talked about that, where we were like, we all do it. You're not wrong. I know a DevOps, and he told me all his days inside Jenkins. That's not DevOps, bro. That's hell. That man isn't doing DevOps. That man is in hell, and somebody needs to save him. The subconscious theft. Yeah, exactly. Don't fight stupid, build more awesome. Yeah. What tools do you use for platform engineering? My brain. Man, that's a tough answer. The best way I can describe to you how platform engineering works is you are given a problem and you find the tools that you use through that problem, Callie. So, for example, if I was like, well, we don't have automation around our infrastructure. We want IAC, infrastructure as code. Then I'd be like, okay, well, there's OpenBow or OpenTofu. There's Terraform, which are basically the same thing. There's Pulumi, right? And then we go, okay, well, why do these tools help us and why do they hurt us? Like, is Pulumi a good solution because of, here, let me wait. Ads, hodl. 1 minute, 15 seconds. Give me a second and then I'll finish answering your question, Callie. Give me a second and I'll finish answering your question. By the way, what's up, all my subbies? How you guys doing? I got local stack up. Or what? Wait, what? It didn't start? Docker container ls. It's failing. So why is it, oh, whoops. Docker container log.